My name is Gordon Smith. My practice at Facial Beauty has been here since 1987. Really proud of how it's grown and what it's become and how we've helped patients.
It is very important to me that our customers here at Facial Beauty Dental are satisfied.
I love our patients. We have the best patients ever.
I love working at Facial Beauty Dental because we're all in it together. Everybody steps up to the plate.
I would also say that our office is very, very laid back. So if we have patients that might have dental anxiety, we are really, really comforting to a lot of people.
The nice thing about Dr. Smith in this office is that he is high-tech everything. He wants the latest and the greatest.
We offer so many different procedures here and treatments for patients, from bridges to crowns to implants to orthodontics to dentures, you name it. Dr. Smith pretty much does it all.
Dr. Smith is very up on all the high-tech advances in dentistry. He is always improving his education and always getting more and more training in the newest things out there. So when you come in, you are getting the up-to-date, state-of-the-art quality that you deserve.
Everything is new, we have all the new training, and it's been really great for providing top-notch care for everybody that comes to the store.
Dr. Smith likes to have his work in his own hands instead of leaving it up to the labs. So all of this basically keeps all of your dentistry, all of your needs right here in office. For us to make any adjustments is so much easier than having to send it out to the lab.
The patients keep coming back year after year after year, and all of that is just from doing good, honest work.
Oh, it's great. I love all the customer service here, and the people make it feel like home. And they ask about your well-being and your teeth, and it's nice.
Dr. Smith definitely goes above and beyond because he does let you know if there are any issues that he's going to see.
I definitely recommend it. This is our favorite dentist. We're actually moving soon, and I'm sad because I'm I hope we can find a dentist as good as our dentist that we've had here, so I would definitely recommend it.
I used to live in Wixom, now I live in Madison Heights, but I still drive out here. Everyone's really great to work with and nice, and they do a good job.
They know you, they know your teeth, they remember you. A lot of people don't remember you.
I'm so proud of what Facial Beauty Dental has become and the number of people I've been able to help. And my favorite patient is one who needs work and afraid to have anything done, and then gradually we turn them around and it improves their self-confidence. That's my greatest joy, is to see how we can change a person's life.
Come see us at Facial Beauty Dental,
We're a beautiful smile.
Increases your face value.